Good morning from the 5-Year-Old Explorers. We're still in Cambodia and today we're doing cooking class. We're learning to do some of their traditional dishes. So I'm gonna do the Amok because I
want to do that too. Will you make the beef look like that?
Because we want to eat it.
But I want to do fried banana.
I'm gonna do.
Everybody's doing fried banana. This is how it works. So they bring you this menu and you each get to pick a starter between fresh spring rolls and green mango salad, a main course which is the fish amok, chicken curry or beef lok lak, and then the dessert we all make the same one, which we're all very excited about. Yay! So we're gonna split it up a little bit so we can try everything.
Now we are going grocery shopping at the market. Hello. Oh wow, they have everything. Look how big is this place. Oh my god.
This is a Cambodia orange.
It's green orange, you guys, but it's from Cambodia. Literally 2 steps and we're already at the market.
Look, sweet potato.
Spicy!
And sugar.
Oh.
So they have dry jackfruit.
And this is to hand make your own coconut soup. You tell her what you want inside, and she puts the milk with some sugar and that stuff.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is the sweet section.
Yeah.
This is pumpkin juice, soya bean juice.
And they put the syrup on the side. For this one, already sweet with the condensed milk. Sweet milk.
Oh, sweet
Yes,
milk,
sweet milk,
okay.
yeah.
She puts condensed milk at the bottom, and then she adds it in, she shakes it, and then she fills it up more.
You just drink it.
Oh, so it's like having a sweet milk, yeah. And here everyone is clearly eating their breakfast or lunch.
So it's breakfast.
Oh,
No,
it's
it's breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Porridge for breakfast. Whoa.
Sticky rice.
What do they put inside?
This one, the green bean.
Oh,
Small
green
one,
bean.
yeah, green bean.
What is the green one?
This one, the rice flowers cake and also pandan leaf.
Oh, so it's like a cake kind of.
Yeah, like a cake. And they put the syrup at the
how
side for
small.
you to add
How
by
small is the
yourself.
mango? Small mango because it's sweet. It's more
Yeah.
sweet than the other one.
Oh, this one, the red one, the sweet one. Yeah, the red one is sweet.
For curry. Any kind of pickle. Each one of them, they are sitting up on the stove.
Sour sop.
Sour sop.
Yeah, sour sop, avocado, rambutan.
What's this?
Plum mango.
Oh, a plum.
Yeah, plum mango, the cake. Bitter and sour and sweet and sit inside.
It's like a plum mango, she said.
Oh my gosh, it is bitter, but also sweet.
Wow.
Yeah, it leaves your mouth dry.
Now,
Wow, that's
So,
We gotta get a bunch of these now.
oh, look, this is for our dessert. Because we're making the fried banana and the passion fruit sauce. So we're buying banana and passion fruit. Oh my god.
oh wow.
It's coriander.
Coriander.
Asian coriander.
Oh, wow.
Chinese cream.
Chinese
Green.
Yeah,
Green.
Chinese cream. Popular with the soup and with the stir fry.
Okay.
It's like spinach?
Yeah, similar. Morning glory or water spinach.
Morning glory. Okay.
For your amok at home.
Oh, we're gonna use it for the ammo.
Yeah. Sweet basil.
Sweet basil.
Sweet basil. Okay.
For the salad and for the spring roll.
Jasmine tea.
Or lemon iced tea.
Finger
Popular
lime.
with the-
They use it for tea. Okay, this is mushroom?
Yes, please.
Oh, Dad, these are mushrooms.
Wow, all the kitchen.
Here's our cooking section.
We'll just add heat to one of them.
Oh, look at this. This is mine,
Mango
yes.
salad and fresh spring roll. For the basil, you pick by your hand.
Yeah,
And
just the leaf.
flat, yeah, just the leaf and the carrot. Okay, put on top bean sprouts. Cucumber in half from long way, and one more time again. And then you take all the seed because seed too soft for spring roll, too much water for spring roll. And the long bean, cut the same length or same size with the cucumber, please.
Okay.
Yeah, onion.
So we are the mango salad.
Yeah, for mango salad. By your hand.
Yes.
With basil and purple cabbage slices, please. Doesn't matter from another.
Okay.
Wait, yeah.
Without slicing my fingers.
No flavor.
No
Yes,
flavor in my finger, yeah,
Please,
just blood.
Yeah, please save.
Okay.
Yeah, carrot and mango, cross line, get it.
Oh, that's so pretty.
And the carrot, the same mango, please. Your
All right.
turn, everything, please.
Okay, my
Thank
turn.
You.
So our cooking lesson is happening. Emma's removing the seeds from the cucumber. Luca cut up the cucumber and he's having his banana lassi. Is it good, the banana lassi, Luca? Babo is julienning the mango. Mama is eating the julienne de mango.
I'll give you a piece.
Wow, I'm a really good cook. I don't know what we're gonna do after this, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna put the stuff in the spring roll. And Mama and Babo are gonna
Ours is done. So now we're cutting the vegetables for the main
eating the
course.
mango.
And eating the mango.
Noni?
Leaf is it?
Noni.
Noni.
Yeah, N-O-N-I. Noni.
You just have it here though in Cambodia.
Yeah, in Cambodia, in your country, no plant, no grow because too cold.
So what do we use instead of that?
Noni, kale.
Kale.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we cut the stem. Yeah, no middle.
Okay.
Wrap in half and roll it. And you cut small, yeah?
Oh,
Onion, seems like, yeah? Kick. And the mushroom, just pick by your hand. Okay. Yeah. And carrot,
Yeah.
slice. Sweet potato, in the skin.
We are very into it because
Yes.
we had to make it really, really small. This is for the curry paste.
but Luca is advanced. He's busy with the passion fruit.
Curry with the
Yeah.
curry, amok with the amok.
I mean, blueberries were so fast. They just did like 3 cuts. They were already like.
Oh my gosh, smell it. Wow. It smells lemongrass. Oh, it's really
And
strong.
passion fruit. Luca is doing a very important job for the dessert. He was tasked with peeling all the bananas, and he's really good at it. Oh, and you're doing that. Wow, really good job, Luca. Oh my gosh, and look how serious he is when he's doing it. Wow. Luca's a chef. Yeah, and the best part is he's a perfect chef because he won't eat any of this. So
He will nibble.
he will nibble, but chefs normally don't eat what they make in the end because they have
But
to sell
they
it.
do eat dessert.
But they do eat dessert.
needs to be eaten,
Yes.
right, Luca?
So that's why, Luca, you're the best chef because you don't have the urge to eat it.
So now we put the curry paste on our dishes.
Off. Again. And here.
Yeah, go from here and you go warrior.
You have to cut. Here, hold this like that.
Okay, yeah, I'll start curving.
You have to go like this.
Do a more
No,
bigger
no.
curve. Yeah.
Inside.
And okay, I think you did it.
Oh yes, we go.
There you go. Yeah.
Cut, no. Cut the
Oh,
extra.
yeah.
Thank you.
So look, wait. So these are all of ours.
Yeah.
Like this is
Right there,
Emma's.
right there. I'm a square guy.
And then you have to kind of curve.
Let's see, Luca.
Another one.
Oh, you got a diamond. No way. That's so cool.
Diamonds! Okay, so those are the spring rolls.
You have to boil the vegetables have to boil for 1 minute. Just they have to be soft.
You're putting palm sugar.
Yes.
This is the dressing.
Yeah. 1 tablespoon for 1 person. Sweet chili. Shallot. And garlic.
Okay.
Chicken stock.
Half spoon per person.
Half.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fish sauce, 5 spoon, 1 spoon per person.
Fish sauce.
Yeah, 1 spoon and water. 1.
So it boiled and now it's done.
And palm sugar.
Chicken.
We're adding chicken stock to chicken.
Yeah, chicken stock and water.
Chicken stock to chicken.
Oyster sauce?
Yeah, black pepper, yeah.
So Luca's doing the chicken for the chicken curry and this is for the lokla, the beef.
It's also the garlic for the spring rolls. Dun, 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 dun.
I want to break free.
Chicken powder. Yeah.
I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies, your self-satisfied.
Back to the recipe.
Let's stir everything together. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Stir.
Not there. White sugar, black pepper, and chicken powder.
Oh, you put sugar in everything.
Water.
Wow, that's a squeeze.
That's why I was thinking about it. It's so satisfying to squeeze them. You just go like, I'm a beautiful cook in the kitchen.
Beautiful cook.
Marinate the
Yeah, marinate the beef before we stir fry. We have the black pepper, little bit, not too much. Half spoon of chicken powder, 2 spoons of ketchup, 1 spoon of chili sauce.
Ketchup?
Yes, please. Tomato ketchup, chili sauce, oyster sauce, spoon. Banana. 1, 2, 3.
banana flambe. Sear it. Like, oh, hey, oh!
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god!
1.
Oh, careful to your hair, Cosimo.
3.
Alright, we're adding honey too.
Wanna make
Coconut cream for the beginning. Egg and carrot.
Fish sauce.
Yeah, kick for 1 person. Kick for 2. Palm sugar.
Palm sugar, there
Yeah,
you go.
1 teaspoon per person. Chicken powder. Long bit and the chicken not too long cooked. We cook everything soft. When they soft, we add the chicken and add the long beef in. We wait it get soft first. Yeah. So for spring roll together there, please.
Oh, look, she does it like
In the
that.
water. Okay. Clap one side for decoration. First with the lettuce in front of you, a little bit with outside for decoration. Syrup. Start to roll.
That's
And
why I
tie,
told you to wait a minute.
Right. Clap from other side and tie.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Now it's
pretty.
pretty.
In Vietnam, they close it, and here they leave it open.
Well, you did it a bit backwards, but
You mix the salad and it's ready, right?
yes.
All right, let me mix.
So since the chicken cooks faster, we add the chicken after because everything else needs more time to cook to get
Yeah.
soft. Like the carrots, they're big, so they have to get soft. Like look, the chicken's already basically cooked. It's all turning white.
Cosy is working on his and Dad's lunch. Luca will now be doing his. Yay!
Oh, yeah.
What?
Stick me.
Okay, we're done.
Yo.
Beef lokla.
Stuff.
We have our onion, garlic, and the green pepper.
Yeah. And palm sugar now, please.
Palm sugar. Oh, Luca is a professional chef now. These years of cooking classes have done him well. All right, we added the beef. Now, Luca, let's see if we can cook all this well.
Everything together. Heat, yeah.
monkfish.
Fish sauce, Emma. Chick for 1%. Chick for 2.
That's chicken
Half
stock.
spoon for Emma and half spoon more for your mom. Little bit of palm sugar, like a teaspoon.
Alright.
What? Now the mushroom.
1 little water.
And then some palm sugar.
Creamy. If you don't have this leaf at home, which you most likely won't, you can use kale. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
So we have a spring roll, we have a beef, we have a dessert, banana, we have a chicken
We
curry,
don't see how this is all gonna connect.
and we have the fish, fish amok, and we have a papaya salad,
Mango salad, Dad.
mambo salad,
Dad's still in Thailand.
mambo.
That is
And the cool thing here, this is rice, guys, in a cone.
keeping it nice and warm.
It's really hot inside.
Here, it's really, really cool how they put the rice. They put it in this cone, you see? It's covered by, I think, banana leaf. So you pull it out. I'll move this so you can see even better. I'm right, you pull it out.
Just squeeze it a little bit down.
Oh my gosh. This is cool. Look
And
at
then you
that.
have lunch.
And you could just look, you could grab it, put that whole thing in there.
And the Buon appetit.
Buon appetito!